Here's a 4-word test that breaks almost every AI agent. Ready? Book me a table. Type it into a plain chatbot, one with no booking access, a table for 2, Friday night, somewhere quiet. And you'll get a genuinely brilliant answer. Tips, suggestions, even a message you could send. And honestly, you'd expect it to manage. It talks like a person. Isn't it basically an agent already? Just a smarter chatbot? Friday comes. No table. Because with nothing connected to the real world, a chatbot can only describe the doing. It can't do the doing. And yet, suddenly, everything is an AI agent. Your email app? Agent. Your bank? Agents. Even fridges now, apparently. So, what would it take to build one that actually does it? That's the next 3 minutes. So let's build the thing that can. First, give it hands. Real connections to real things. A calendar it can read. A browser it can drive. A messaging app it can send from. Engineers call these tools. No tools, no touching the world. Now watch it work. It reads the goal, makes a little plan, tries a step, check your calendar, Friday's free. Writes down what happened in its notebook. Looks again. What's next? Search quiet restaurants. Try to book. Fully booked. Back around. Try the next one. Booked. Confirmation saved. Look, decide, act, check. Around and around until the job is done, or it comes back to ask you. A brain that talks. Hands that touch real things. A notebook so it remembers what it did. And that stubborn little loop that won't give up. Put them together, and that is an agent. And here's the secret nobody says out loud. The brain is the same word-predicting AI you already know. The agent part is everything wrapped around it. One honest warning before you go agent shopping. A chatbot's mistake is a wrong sentence. An agent's mistake is a wrong action. A real email sent. A real thing bought. That's why good agents ask before big steps, and why you start them in a small room, not the whole house. So here's your new superpower. Next time an app brags that it's agentic, ask 2 questions. 1. What can it actually touch? My calendar? My files? My money? 2. Does it check with me before it acts? If the answer is, well, it talks, that's not an agent. That's a chatbot in a trench coat. Want to watch a real agent that lives in someone's computer? We took one apart, the famous lobster, right here. And how does that brain actually choose its words? That's coming next in this series. Subscribe and tinker along.